First, we will unbox the GARDENA Robotic Lawnmower and see what comes with it. You will find a small ruler inserted in the cover of the box. This will help you lay the boundary wire with proper distance to various obstacles. A roll of boundary and guide wire. Bags with staples that you can use to secure the wire to the ground. A charging station that sends signals along the boundary and guide wire and also charges the mower. On the back, you will find all wire connections. A power supply that must be connected to a proper mains outlet. A low voltage cable that connects the power supply with the charging station. A bag with connectors for the charging station and couplers to connect the guide wire to the boundary wire or to repair a damaged wire. A bag with 3 screws that secure the charging station to the ground. An extra set of cutting blades. Anti-theft stickers. And naturally, the robotic lawnmower. You will also find a printed manual, a quick guide, and this installation movie, which you're now watching. The only tools required are a hammer for the staples and 2 pairs of pliers, a wire cutter and gas pipe pliers for the couplers.